This is everything you need to know about TikTok Live subscriptions, including how to get access, what the benefits for your subscribers are, and some suggestions from my own experiences. You can use the timestamp to navigate through the video, and as ever, you can join my Discord if you need any help. So let's start with the most important thing, which is what are the requirements and how do you get access to this? Well, it says on the TikTok website here, Live subscription will initially be available to invite-only creators this month, and will then become available globally over the coming months. So then, of course, the question becomes, if it's invite-only, how do I get access? So here's what I've learned from my own experience and from talking to other people. So firstly, it sounds like this feature is currently available to people with only over 100,000 followers. And from what I've seen, there's 3 different ways that TikTok is reaching out to these people with over 100,000 followers. So firstly, if you already have a creator manager, if you already know somebody at TikTok, they'll reach out to you and offer the subscriber feature. If you don't already have a contact at TikTok, you might get offered a survey somewhere in your TikTok notifications or in your email. And if you fill out that survey, somebody from TikTok will contact you and offer you the subscription feature. And finally, I've seen that some large content creators have been given a limited number of invites that they can hand out to other TikTokers. So for example, I saw one TikToker on Twitter who had 16 invite slots for anybody with over 100,000 followers. So again, if you're struggling to get access to this feature, like it says here, it's going to become available globally over the coming months. So just be patient and you should get the feature soon. So what is live subscription? If you're familiar with Twitch subscriptions or YouTube channel memberships, it's very similar. It's an extra way for your viewers to support you. So if somebody wants to subscribe to your TikTok live stream, firstly they'll have to follow you. And once they've followed you, they'll see this star icon at the top of your live stream. Once they press the star icon, they'll be taken to this page here, which explains all the different benefits. So as TikTok's outlined here, there's 3 benefits by default, which is the subscriber badge, the custom emotes, and the subscriber only chat. And we can see that in action right here on this screenshot from Alan Owens' stream, which is happening right now. You can see here he's got a subscriber only emote. He's got the sub badge. You can set the name of this sub badge, which he's set to Owens, anywhere from 1 to 4 letters. Mine is set to Mojo for obvious reasons. The longer a viewer stays subscribed, this star icon next to the chat badge changes color and changes shape. So a big question is, how much does this cost? Currently in the UK, it costs £5.99. And it costs $5.99 in the US. Initially, TikTok was allowing people to buy a one-off subscription, which didn't auto-renew. This is where the one-off option was, and they seem to have removed it. So from now on, it looks like you just buy the auto-renewal subscription, and of course, you can just cancel that whenever you want. Once somebody does subscribe, the streamer gets a message in the chat telling them that somebody's subscribed. So I was part of the initial UK rollout, and I've actually had my sub badge nearly 6 months now. So let me share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned during the time that I've had my sub badge. So I think the most important thing to point out is that obviously subscribing is so new on TikTok, and a lot of viewers are just not aware that it exists right now. So what I do frequently on my streams is remind the viewers that I have a sub badge, and on top of the normal benefits that TikTok offers, I add my own benefits. So what I typically say to my viewers is they can press the star icon at the top of my screen, and on top of the normal benefits, I let them know that I'm going to follow them back on TikTok, and because I play Fortnite, I let them know that I'm going to add them on Fortnite, and that they can also play games on stream with me. And then whenever I frequently see a subscriber in the chat, I make sure to point it out, tell everybody that they're a subscriber, thank them once again for being a sub, and that just encourages more people to subscribe as a result, because of course everybody likes to be shouted out in somebody's stream. So just to recap my main pieces of advice, educate your viewers, add some extra benefits, and make sure you're thanking your subscribers frequently. So that's the basics of TikTok Live subscription. If you want any more help, join my Discord. If you want one-on-one help, check the Help from Harry channel in my Discord server. Make sure you're subscribed. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers so that I can join the YouTube Partner Program. And thanks for watching.